In this video, we're going to take your beautiful Canva designs and turn them into Google Slides backgrounds. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabriel Carrillo, and if you'd like to learn more EdTech tips and food recipes, make sure you click subscribe. But now, let's get those Canva designs into Google Slides. I've got my beautiful Canva design here, and I can't normally do something like this quality within Google Slides. So what I'd like to do is take this and set it as my background in this particular presentation. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take these 4 slides in Canva and go ahead and download them. And for this, we want to make sure that we change to either PNG or PDF. Let's just go ahead and choose PNG for this one and make sure that we kind of leave everything as is. And we want to make sure that we download all 4 of these and go ahead and click download. And they are officially downloaded. So let's go ahead and find them. I've got a Mac, so I've got my study habits zip file because it was more than one file. So then I can go into that folder, and here are my 4 files. I can then go back to my presentation and I could right click and I can then click change background, choose image, browse, and go through this process to get these particular images as my background. Or we could do it the easy way. So check this out. I've got my slideshow open and I've got my 4 downloaded images here. And instead, what I could do is I can drag one and go to one of the outside edges and it will automatically add that as the background. I could then take slide 2 and do the exact same thing, add it to any one of those edges until I see that little rectangle appear. And just like that, I can very easily upload these as my background. And the beauty about having these slides as your background is now this is basically flat. These notes, these flashcards, these images, these objects cannot be moved. They become part of the background. So if you do decide to push these out to make a copy for each student within Google Classroom or something like that, they can't mess around with the background. It's a flattened image. So this is 2 ways in which you can take your beautiful Canva designs and put them into Google Slides as the background. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, share, and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, buen provecho.